Friends, today we are going to discuss another important topic of a artificial intelligence, that is natural language processing. Okay, what is NLP? Natural language processing (NLP) refers to AI method of communicating with an intelligent system using NLP, such as English. The best example of NLP is your Google Assistant. Okay, so how a person interact with internet system through the Google system. Suppose we open that Google Assistant and just click on it and click on that mic, and just we give a query that what is artificial intelligence. Then with then the in response to that acknowledgement given in a audio also, that what is the definition by the Google Assistant. So this is the example of a NLP. Now, processing of natural language is required when you want an intelligent system like a robot to perform as per your instruction. When you want to hear decision from a dialogue based clinical expert system, etc., and medical imaging system, medical expert system. So these are the few example of NLP. The field of NLP involves making computer to perform useful tasks with the natural languages that human use. The input and output of an NLP system can be speech and written text. Process information contained in natural language text is called as NLP, which is also known as computational linguistic, human language technology, natural language engineering. NLP for machine, it analyze and understand and generate human languages just like humans do. Applying computational techniques to language domain to explain linguistic theories, to use the theories to build system that can be of social use. Started off as a branch of artificial intelligence, it borrows from linguistic, psycholinguistic, cognitive science, and statistic. It borrows the characteristics from these things. Why NLP? It is an hallmark of an human intelligence. Yes, exactly. Why natural language processing is widely used in an artificial intelligence? Because, as earlier discussed, in Google Assistant, in YouTube also, the NLP concept is used. Okay, just you have to go on YouTube and click on that mic and just go through what you required. So you have to just give your query, and in response to that, that query is responded. Text is the larger repository of human knowledge, and it is growing quickly. Computer program that understand text or speech.